Stuff here tonight, it's just gonna rip off. This side here, because this is the side you're gonna see. Oh, wait. Okay. You're gonna turn it 180 degrees. Because this edge has got to be the... Yeah, you get the ladder up at that end. And I'll have the step ladder at this end. There's a couple things you can do. You can overhang it, but we got enough that you got one.
There's the other sheet I have.
1.5 inches.
Okay, it's got to come up this way a little bit. It's got to come up that 1/2 inch, so there's 1 inch on each side.
I'd rather have more overhang over there than back here. So measure from the top of the drip edge, the highest point of the drip edge.
That ridge?
Yeah. Something's goofy. And we got to make sure we get the right. This has to go up first.
Yeah.
This goes up
on
first.
This side.
Yes, on this side, yeah. See, we can always fudge the bottom end because there's, let me get a screw in here.
Yeah.
And just want to make sure we get a screw. We can always bring it out this way. We have to
Have to make that side look as normal as possible.
Yeah.
I don't care about the back side.
Okay, now pull that side out a bit if you push it. Yeah. What's your joint look down there?
That's perfectly jointed.
All right.
Right even with the drip edge on this side.
Okay. Okay, that goes up the same way. Went out just a little bit. Well,
This side is still going good.
okay.
Not horrible.
Not horrible, it's not perfect, but we gotta live with it. Right in the center of it. Yeah, there you go. I think we should do, when you finally do this, we'll put one in on the front here. On the front, once we get them in, we'll put one in each up front here.
Yeah,
Just
so
one.
that wind don't pick it up.
Right, especially this side here. This will be the worst side. Okay. Well, I think before we leave this, though, we need to make sure we got at least one row down the center and on both ends. Big deal. we'll just snap a chalk line and we'll just put, you know, we'll be a little late, but at least you won't lose this tonight. Nothing worse than having this all.
Am I good there on that?
Yeah, you're fine. Go wherever you want to go. Here, go right like that. That's good. Put one here. Yeah, you might as well put one in each center now. Go all the way along the side there and. Okay. Okay.
That hurt.
What'd you do?
Well, I was climbing up the ladder. I got the top rung.
Yeah.
And it slipped in between the two. I snafu'd my finger in there. Oh, okay.
So I think we're gonna have to put one on top here too. I think wherever there's a joint, and we should put a couple in between each bay too. You know what I mean? There was no drill point on it. I know. Well, because this is probably hit it.
Yeah.
You got to get it in a flat spot all the time. There's a night that we're not gonna. Yeah. Wake up in the morning and it's a crumpled mess in the neighbor's yard. That's not gonna start your day off all that well. No.
Soften on the shed. Filled this all in with pellet boards. Went around, did the same thing on all sides, so it's now pretty much paper. Well, you don't want these nests if you're lost. Yeah. These I can try to handle.
Well, what we're doing today, we're going to finish that roof off, so we don't have to go up there anymore. And then we're gonna start on the great wall in front. To the middle of this rib on your side.
14 inches. What do you got?
From here it's 14 inches.
From here to the outside, right?
That's 14 inches.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll cut one about 16 inches.
Yeah.
And
we can fudge the corners. Yeah. Put her on. As long as that.
oh. Okay.
Yeah.
it backwards.
I thought we were gonna put that under.
Oh, well, no, it'll work.
Flip it around.
No, no, that's great. It might work. It might work better.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So we're gonna have to do another cut.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you even up there or what?
Well, I got the same overhang in the front,
Yeah.
and I've got about a half-inch overhang on this side.
So how much overhang do you want?
Well,
In here.
halfway.
Halfway. Okay. We'll take her down.
Another one of these sheets would be about $50.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then you had the leftover.
To save some money. Okay. It's pretty close on that middle mark, so we'll just follow that. Well, we got to cut another short piece we should cut it again 16 inches.
Yeah.
And we should go underneath it.
Yeah,
Let's go 2 feet.
2 feet by 16.
2 feet by 16.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You kind of hold it on the edge there so we know where. Don't bend the tape, just put it in line.
That's always worked good for me. No, it's not the tape measure.
Okay. Well, we had to put a smaller piece in here because that extra sheet we had was only 11 feet. So, you want to measure it?
No, this one. I'll scribe down.
Okay.
As long as you got it in place. That little strip fit in there.
Oh, yeah.
I monkeyed around with that for about a half an hour, eh?
Yeah.
That one little 23-inch piece.
Yeah.
Trying to get it level.
Well, we did that too. I remember you and I we had to fill in and to get it half decent. You got it way more level and straight than we did. You got a row there now, so yeah. Are you in the row with the other ones? Yeah. Okay. It looks good now. It looks good once you get that one in. I think the mark is above you, I think. Is it?
Yeah. You cannot possibly go up, over, and that way.
I know, but you don't want the wind to get underneath it and rip it
Yeah.
off.
Back up here again.
No,
You're done.
Okay.
You can see that?
Yep. Every second one, brother.
Oh, now you tell me.
I keep forgetting I gotta retrain you every day. We had this discussion yesterday. Now I know why you can't remember what happened last year. I understand.
What?
Put one there. But you put the last screw in. Can you see the line?
Well, certainly.
All right.
What's wrong? It's right here, right?
Yeah, it is right there. Put it right there. Go ahead. I dare you.